Hi, Oliver. Thanks so much for the question and congratulations on building your cross-border real estate business. I have to read a lot of information, but I've prepared a detailed reply to you. So let me read it step by step. Might be a couple of minutes, but if you would like to send it like a text after this video call, no problem. Just let me know. Let me give you a clear breakdown of the key consideration you raised and the offers we can provide to you at the proposals that or with the setup again. First thing is the cross-border tax consideration for an Australian entrepreneur in the US real estate. When you are an Australian tax resident investing in the US, you need to plan around 3 levels of taxation. US side taxation, the US will tax your rental income or capital gains at source. Whatever income is coming to you from the US, it will be taxed at source even before you taking the money out. Withholding taxes, there's something called FIRPTA for real estate sales. If you are doing sales for transactions in the US, you have to pay this, and also state level taxation all apply. If you are buying property in Florida, it's different than California, it's different than New York. That's from the US side. So your rental income, capital gains at source, withholding taxes, and state level taxes all apply. On the Australian side taxation, an Australian resident, you are taxed on your worldwide income. This means even if the US taxes you, you still report and pay taxes in Australia. I know this is a very bad situation. You will be taxed mostly, but there is a double taxation treaty between the US and Australia. This is a more complicated issue, but I will try to make it simple. But you can usually claim foreign tax credit if you are paying double taxation. The third thing is the double taxation treaty. Australia and the US have a tax treaty. Proper structuring ensures you don't pay twice, but you must comply carefully with both sets of the rules. Okay, let's go to number 2. Should you get a UAE passport, United Arab Emirates or Dubai passport? At the moment, United Arab Emirates doesn't offer a passport directly by investment. It's extremely sophisticated process, and it's only limited to high net worth, ultra high net worth individuals. It's not something that it's not announced. The UAE government select a very handful, less than 50 individuals, give them the passport. So it's not something that you can do. What is offered is something called residency and tax residency. This is available to the UAE. It's available to anyone who would like to change this tax status. The UAE tax resident, you benefit from zero income tax and no capital gains. Many entrepreneurs set up holding companies in the United Arab Emirates, often in Dubai free zones or the DRC or the mainland. There is a different way than in Dubai, and hold the US or international assets. If you are maintaining Australian tax residency, UAE residency alone won't help. Australia will still tax your worldwide income. If you eventually break the Australian residency or establish UAE tax residency, that's when you legally reduce your global tax burden to near zero or a little bit more, because you're still paying taxes in the US. So what is the other option? If you eventually, the UAE passport isn't the tool here, it's the UAE residency and tax certificate. It's mostly called UAE golden visa. We can help you with this also. Number 3 is minimizing tax liability. There are several strategies that you can use. Holding company structure. Many investors hold US property through US LLC and itself owned by the UAE tax-free company. This is limit US tax estate exposure and allow profits to flow in the UAE tax-free. Financing strategy. Also, you can have residency planning. If you remain Australian tax resident, you still tax it on your worldwide income. To truly minimize taxes, you need to plan to formal tax exit from Australia. We have helped thousands individuals do this. We're almost 5 minutes now. So what we can help you? You are asking exactly the right question. This is issue are complex and costly if you're not handling properly. We work with thousands of entrepreneurs in similar situations, Australian investing abroad, expats in the UAE, and property investors with global holding. To give you an actionable step, book a one-to-one video call with me, map out your current residency and tax application, review your structure, LLC, Roth, corporate, or UAE holding, design a strategy for minimizing your Australian tax exposure, explore residency option in the United Arab Emirates and also other countries. Okay, plan efficient profit flows and long-term protection for your assets. You can just use the same app, Minette, book me at least half an hour or an hour, and we'll go through everything. Appreciate all the feedback. If you just have one ask from you, if you just leave me a good review, that's help a lot. You can Google my name, you'll find a lot of information about myself. Book me another. If you would like to send me all the information, text and reply back, that's fine. If you would like to book a video call with me also, that's fine. But don't forget the review. Thanks so much and stay global, my friends. This is Mo speaking to you. Bye-bye.